urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Geauga, Lake, Portage, and Summit. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Cuyahoga River at Old Portage from Thursday afternoon until further notice at 10 a.m. Wednesday. The stage was 8.6 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by Thursday evening and continue to rise to near 9.0 feet by Thursday evening. Additional rises are possible thereafter. At 9.0 feet, flooding begins in low-lying areas near the river.
Oh, here we go again.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Grand River at Painesville from Thursday afternoon until further notice at 9:30 a.m. Wednesday. The stage was 6.8 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by Thursday afternoon and continue to rise to near 8.1 feet by Thursday evening. Additional rises are possible thereafter. At 8.0 feet, water levels will overrun the banks along the Metro Park south of Painesville. Rumen Road will be threatened.
Back, 3 EASs. Holy crap. Here we go again.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Mahoning River at Leavittsburg from Thursday afternoon until further notice at 10 a.m. Wednesday. The stage was 8.1 feet. Minor.
This is going to get some publicity.
Flood stage is 10.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by Thursday afternoon and continue to rise to near 10.3 feet by Thursday evening. Additional rises are possible thereafter. At 10.0 feet, lowland flooding will occur near the town of Leavittsburg. A weather message for the following county: Ashtabula, Lakeshore County, Ohio. Wind advisory in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern.
Wow, 3 EASs. Well, that's the first. That's another first for me, I guess. Let's just take this off. Let's put that back up. Yeah. On the first EAS, the reason why these two didn't go off is because I had the alert mode off. Because I didn't think this was going to happen. During the first one that I recorded off the Midland radios, I turned the alert mode on. 3 EASs. More freaking flood warnings. I'm not sure there's going to be a required weekly test today because of these flood warnings. I'm not really sure how long is these going to last. 5 hours? Yeah, there's not going to be a test today probably. So, but if there is, I'm going to record it. So, that's it.